this video here is part 2 of the first one I did just a few minutes ago. I mean, if you can really tell how bad this station down here really looked. I mean, the lighting pretty much non-existent, wiring hanging down, and everything else. I mean, it just needs fixed up. I mean, it's in disrepair. I mean, figure out a way to deal with it. This is the worst part of it down here, which is I'm standing here and it goes all the way down there. I mean, I'd love to see Latrobe being restored. I mean, you got buildings that have already been restored. That one right there has been restored and repainted and everything else. Makes it look real nice. This side of the station, I mean, it's practically brand new. Just needs a little bit of coat of paint and everything like that. I mean, if you look at it, it's got a new roof on that side. This side, it never had anything done to it for I don't know how long. At least 30 years of my life. Got a lot of everything and everything else. I mean, if you really look at it, that whole side of the station where I was sitting previously just needs a good coat of paint. But this side, I think it ought to be brought up. Thinking about restoring it and everything. I mean, part of Latrobe's history. And soon as it's going to be one or more of those things, that stuff that's gone. So I think if anybody likes to see it restored, try going to Latrobe City Council and see what can be done.